up guys, Jesus here from Function Inform, and today we're going to be showing you what comes inside our Function Inform coilover boxes. So for starters, you'll receive 2 spanner wrenches, nice piece of cardboard, a coilover inside a bag. This is the rear for an EK Type 1. Non-adjustable, so no damping knob. You have your lower locking collar, lower mount, spring perch locking collar, spring perch washer, 6K rear spring, and your dust boot, top mount bushings. You also get a cool measuring tape. Then obviously the other rear, which we'll put off to the side. Hardware. Another cool piece of cardboard. Now for the fronts, I'm gonna poke myself. Anyways, I'm not gonna do that. The fronts also come in a bag. Again, lower mount locking collar, spring perch locking collar, spring perch washer, 10K front spring, dust boot, top mount bushings, non-adjustable. Yeah, pretty solid, not gonna lie. Get a cool box. Hat not included, I'm not included. Yeah, that's a Function Inform coilover kit.